Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm sharing with you today this approved used 2025 model year Volkswagen Transporter. It's available here in a popular Commerce Plus short wheelbase trim with a 2-litre TDI 110 PS engine and finished in a lovely stone grey solid paint. Loads to enjoy with this vehicle with key highlights including automatic LED headlights with stylish LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side 16-inch wheels with hubcaps will add to the overall protection. In the rear, redesigned full LED taillights with these horizontal bars will certainly stand out at night, and the vehicle offers near-side sliding door, offering a reinforced bulkhead for added protection, as well as halfway down there are protected panels as well, and tie-down lashings to tie down loose items. As you can see here, you can open the doors fully wide opening, as well as here you can see just how much space there is. In the front, decorative door and dash insert will grace the cabin, as well as stylish two-tone cloth upholstery. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which operates the digital cockpit up ahead. Choose from a number of assistants to protect you and your occupants, or better yet, display information in the left and the right dials. Tire pressure monitoring system is available in all wheels, and you can operate all your Bluetooth and music all at your fingertips. Moving over to the center console, the newly launched infotainment touchscreen features handy shortcuts on the right-hand side. It's incredibly easy to operate and comes with loads of functions such as a fully adjustable speaker sound system, which will certainly appeal to many of you. Other great features with this vehicle will also incorporate selectable drive modes, optimizing for eco-efficient drive, normal daily drives, or even a specific slippery mode when conditions deteriorate. Additionally, the active safety systems I mentioned earlier can also be easily operated from the center screen here, and as you'll see, the list is absolutely plentiful, offering loads of protection to you and your occupants at all times. For added connectivity, you'll be pleased to know this Transporter benefits with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, as well as there's an easy-to-use climate control system. To help you park, you'll be pleased to know there's a full reverse parking camera complemented by front and rear sensors, and handy storage and cup holders can be found throughout the cabin with twin glove box setup. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter 2025 model year that is now available to purchase in our dealership. To find out more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.